Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. You might have a unique situation like this one where they have put a wall that is brick and block. I get more coffee. Okay. Anyway, we're putting PVC up. This is 5/16 by 5 inches, pure plastic. We're countersinking it with a bit so the screws don't stick out. To cover up areas like this where animals are starting to try to get in. So if you see, there's every 4 foot, every 2 foot, there's a place where
16 inches.
And right here, and here. He says 16 inches.
That's what I measured between them.
And we countersink it, then we take a screw gun and put the screws to it.
And cock over the top.
Cameraman's got to get the screws. Alright, so we finished this belt. Cover up all the rotted Masonite, and we're trying to stay on a budget, but it's still quite expensive because the PVC is very expensive and it's labor intensive. So it's a way that you can make yours look better. It is paintable. We painted it or sealed it with paintable silicone. So if you see down through there where there was holes and spray foam to fill the holes, is not a problem for the animals to get into now. So hopefully that would be something that if you need to, you could do that. It's 5 inches high. No, it's actually 6. So hope you figure out something from it. It's Phil Bridges. If you like what you saw, you think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.